Everyone can build screens, but impact, only a few can create it. This is NVS Newtech Video Systems, where every pixel tells a story, and every display becomes an experience. 15 years, countless stages, one vision. We haven't just delivered products, we've delivered performance. Be it Prime Plus or the Elite series, these aren't just products, they are performance machines. Quality and after-sales support all in one place. Because we don't just build LED screens, we amplify moments.
Our R&D team continuously innovates to enhance performance, ensure reliability, and engineer robust structural integrity across all solutions.
Rain, rush, or spotlight, NVS never backs down.
Driven by advanced engineering and cutting-edge display technologies, we deliver innovative and future-ready visual solutions. We are actively developing next-generation display innovations. Stay connected to experience what's coming next.
From DJ setups to corporate stages, when the show is big, the screen is NVS.